Okay, so this is our WeBWorK practice system. Okay, so our section, this is my last name, Wang, and this is our math 6. Okay, math 6. So the username and password are the same. You use your EMPL ID. Okay, there are 8 digits, so they're the same username, password, and then you can log in. After you log in, you click this one, homework sets. You will have a list of works. Okay, so the first one is the definition of roots and radicals. Okay, so you should start from here, 7.1. Okay, 7.1. So after you click 7.1, you can choose which problem you want to work. Okay, and then here is the result part. So attempts, that means how many times you tried. So if this is 100%, that means you finally got the right answer. So now let's click problem 1. Okay, problem 1. So problem 1 is radical 9, square root of 9. So what's square root of 9? 3, right? So you type the answer in this box, number 3, and then click submit answer. Okay, submit answers. So if you put 3, the answer is correct. So you will get green bars. Okay, green bars, correct answers. So if you put number 2 here, the answer is wrong, so this bar will be red. Okay, then you know red is wrong, green is right. So if it's wrong, you click the section again, go to the problem 1 again, and then do it again. Okay, do it again. So some questions, there are more than one answers, right? So here, positive, negative, radical 169. So we have 2 answers, 13 and negative 13. So you should put a comma between different answers, between these answers. Okay, so you put 13 comma negative 13. If you have more than one answers, okay, more than one answers, and then submit it. Okay, and then submit it. So sometimes you got a number, a radical, which is not a real number. So later we will talk about complex numbers. You will know this is complex numbers. Then you have to type the words not real in this box. Okay, if you think the answer is not a real number, it's not a real number, then you type this NOTREAL. Okay, all lowercase. Okay, all lowercase. So now let's look at this question. So square root of 6 root of v to the 6th power. So what's the answer? The answer is v. Okay, but if you put a capital V, the answer will be wrong, because the given letter is lowercase. Okay, so you have to put lowercase v. Okay, so this is case sensitive. Okay, you have to be very careful. Okay, you have to be very careful. So the hardest part is the powers. Okay, how can you put the powers in the answer box? Okay, answer box. So now for this question, we got square root of 64 to the y to the 4th power. So we know the answer is 8y squared. How to put y squared in the answer box, in the box here? So we use a small wedge here. Okay, so y squared, you have to type y and then wedge 2. That's y squared. Okay, y squared. Yeah. And you also have to be very careful. Sometimes you have to use the F's values. Okay, the F's values for the answer, because we don't know W or Z, they are positive or negative. Okay, so here's my example, right? I put 9 W wedge 5, so this is W to the 5th power, and then Z wedge 5, this is Z to the 5th power. So my answer, the answer I put in the box is 9 W to the 5th, Z to the 5th, and then you see it is incorrect because I forgot the F's value. Okay, absolute F's value sign. Okay. And anytime if you want to go back to our section, you click here, Wang Math 6. You want to go back to this particular homework problem set, you click the 7.1. So you click 19, you will go back to the problem 19. Okay, so you click here. Don't click WeBWorK. If you click WeBWorK, you will go to the whole list, all the WeBWorks, BCC WeBWorks for all sections, Math 1, Math 5, Math 6.